LB deck is an epoch-making construction method to provide convenience and safety of bridge slab work. And it is a new method of slab construction, which can be called as a revolution of bridge deck. By definitely accomplishing additional effect, such as simplification of construction process, reduction of indirect cost, etc., but also basically solving problems of existing plywood form and deck plate method, etc. LB deck is a differentiated construction method as follows. Firstly, structural safety is secured by using permanent form so that it can be moved with the deck as an integrated part. Secondly, safety of worker can be maintained and construction period can be reduced during construction because simple process is realized by using special purpose trolley crane during the construction work. Thirdly, this is manufactured so that it can be applied to all girder bridges because it is adjustable in accordance with the condition of the deck. LB deck method is utilized for this bridge slab work at this site. LB deck is the construction method provided with the advantages as follows. Firstly, LB deck construction method reduces safety accident and danger which occur at the time of work performing at high elevation. And as it is a simple process, safety and work efficiency are raised. Secondly, it has wide range of applicability to PSC beam bridge, steel box girder bridge, steel plate type girder bridge, etc. Thirdly, with LB deck construction method, construction costs for maintenance can be reduced by fundamentally solving the problems of maintenance. This is the LB deck manufacturing process. In the first place, mold is manufactured to suit the specification of deck, which will be applied to bridge. An inspection step is conducted so as to confirm whether it has been manufactured in accordance with accurate dimension. And then, assemble main reinforcing bars, which will be arranged at deck inside and lattice bar in accordance with drawing, and place them at completed mold. As the next stage, pour the concrete, which is designed to be more than 40 MPa of compression strength. At this time, use system vibration so that the thickness of deck will be uniform. Steam curing process is conducted for the mold in which concrete pouring has been completed. And at this time, the temperature of curing chamber shall be less than 20 degrees Celsius per hour, and maximum temperature shall be 65 degrees Celsius. Curing shall be performed for sufficient time so that there will not be any big difference with outside temperature by slowly lowering the temperature. The LB deck for which curing has been completed is stored at open field with 6 stages, stacking in principle. LB deck method demonstrates PRC LB deck for long span deck, in which steel strands are utilized by connecting more advanced new technology. PRC LB deck was developed to minimize longitudinal crack, which can be generated at lower section of concrete slab when existing LB deck is applied. In this method, pre-stress is introduced with the tension force of 30 kN after inserting steel strands at existing LB deck manufacturing process. At this moment, the process to confirm whether pre-stress has accurately been introduced is conducted by measuring tension force and elongation of steel strands. Economic efficiency of bridge slab work will be enhanced by the PRC LB deck method using steel strands. Now, let's look into the process stages of LB deck. First of all, remove irregularity in foreign material from the section where rubber pad and mortar will be placed. Install rubber pad with the width of 20 to 30 millimeters at the surface where LB deck will be placed. Perform mixing of powder or liquid phase to suit the mixing ratio for 3 to 5 minutes with hand mixer or forced mixer for mortar. Apply adequate amount without overflowing by adhering to the rubber pad with a width of around 20 to 30 millimeters on the installation surface of LB deck. And then, install LB deck. Install LB deck to suit to the surface where rubber pad and mortar have been placed. For this, there are 2 installation methods. First of all, installation with crane can be conducted when the height of bridge is around 20 meters or when there aren't any elements of obstacle, such as river or road, etc., underneath. Installation with trolley crane can be performed at the bridge, with high elevation where installation of crane is impossible, or when work in the space under the bridge is impossible because river or road is crossing at the lower section of the bridge. Perform the finishing process of applying silicone to the connecting section of deck and LB deck. Finally, when arranging reinforcing bar and pouring concrete, bridge slab work will safely be completed. When performing LB deck bridge slab work, the work shall be performed with precaution of following safety management. Firstly, at the time of lifting and installing LB deck, joint section shall not be dropped by connecting more than 2 carabiners with releasing mechanism. Secondly, if upper bridge type is beam girder, there is danger of tumbling over when LB deck is installed without installing cross beam. Therefore, conduct the installation after securing the cross beam. Thirdly, when LB deck is installed in a confined space, there will be the danger of falling. Therefore, conduct exhaustive safety management by definitely connecting attached device of safety belt to safety rope after installing the safety rope during the work. Finally, comfortable environmental management, such as to install dust prevention net in preparation against scattered dust, to perform slow traveling of vehicle in the working area, to conduct occasional water spraying, etc., are implemented. At the construction site, utmost effort has been devoted to strictly observe safety management and environmental management, and to carry out optimum bridge slab work with LB deck method.